Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate chip cookies. Start by gathering your ingredients and equipment. Make sure your butter is softened, not melted, for the best texture. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This initial preparation is key to a smooth baking process and delicious results. First, cream together your softened butter and both sugars until the mixture is light and fluffy. Then, beat in the eggs one at a time, followed by the vanilla extract. Gradually add your dry ingredients to the wet mixture, mixing until just combined. Don't overmix. Now, gently fold in your favorite chocolate chips until they are evenly distributed throughout the dough. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto ungreased baking sheets, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake for 9 to 11 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown. Once baked, let your cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 2 minutes. This helps them set. Then, transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Store any leftover cookies in an airtight container to keep them fresh for several days. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.